It's math time with Mr. Mock. It's math time with Mr. Mock. It's math time. Hey, Math 8. I'm doing a very quick lesson video on something that is actually kind of important because it's like the foundation of linear algebra and being able to write an equation of a line. So let's just get to it. We have a graph here, right? We have the coordinate x, y, coordinate plane with our x and y axes. We have the orange line coming through here, all right? And we're gonna write the equation of this line. We're gonna write an equation based on what this line is showing. And I'm gonna break it down to the simplest form for you. Sometimes we try to overcomplicate things. I'm gonna try to break this down into like the simplest 3 steps. Ready? What is the slope of this line, all right? Now the slope of this line, you have point here, point here, because remember, you want to go and look at the orange line and where does it go through the grid, right? So you're going to count, and we've made the slope triangles before, right? So you can make a slope triangle here, and you're going to count how many up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 up, and then 2 over. All right. So you know that our slope is 5 over 2. Done. Can you simplify that? You could. Don't make it 2.5. Don't make it 2.5. Leave it as 5 over 2 for right now, okay? Now, this is a new idea. The question that is being asked now, step 2, is what is the y-intercept, okay? The y-intercept is where does this line cross the y-axis, okay? Where does the line cross the y-axis? That's what you're asking here. And so you follow the line back and you're just looking for where does the line cross this y-axis. So right here, that's the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is -2. Is at -2, right? So this is 0. You count down 1, 2. That'd be -2. So your y-intercept is -2. All right. Now say it with me. Y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. Mr. Mock, what is m? What is b? I see a y and an x. Help me out here. I'm going to break it down. Here's what it is. M is the slope. B is -2, or the y-intercept. And then you just plug it in. You just replace it. So the y and x are going to stay. So the y stays. Equals m is the slope. You know what the slope is. The slope is 5 over 2. 5 over 2. The x stays. And then the b is your -2. So it would be plus -2, which you could also write it as y equals 5/2 x minus 2. That's the equation of the line. You did it. That's how you do it. It's done. Dunsky. Over. The equation is written. And we'll talk about how to use that and check it later. But that's the equation of the line. Okay? So remember, what is the slope? What is the y-intercept? Say it with me. Y equals mx plus b. And then the m is the slope. So what is the slope? Put it in. What is the y-intercept? That's done. You've written the equation. The y and the x stay the same. It's pretty wicked awesome. Now, you are going to do this one. Okay? So remember, write the equation of the line. Step 1, what is the slope? Step 2 is the y-intercept. Step 3, don't forget the y equals mx plus b. Do that, write it down, send me an email, maybe if you could put it in the comments, or maybe I just made a question on Google Classrooms. I haven't really thought that through yet. And just give me the answer. What is the equation of the line? That's it. Video is going to be done. I'm going to stop recording. Bye. This has been my math talk. Thanks for watching.